Welcome to video number 10 of the EnviroStore training series. In this video, we'll go over the Risk Information Screen. This screen is used to designate contaminants of concern, or COCs, that have been identified on your project site. COCs can be associated with specific operable units and areas as well as project-wide. To get to this screen, we'll start from the Activities Report screen again and go back to the drop-down box in the upper left corner. Find the Risk Information tab and click on it. The Risk Information Summary screen will display all risk information documented for the project, if any. To add risk information, click on the Insert New Risk Information Record hyperlink. The Risk Information subscreen will display. Click on the Operable Unit/Site Name field drop-down menu, if there is one, and select the operable unit site name that is associated with the project, or select project-wide if the information you're about to enter applies to the entire site. Note that if no operable units or site areas have been identified, this box will not appear, and project-wide is assumed as the default. Next, click on the Physical Description field drop-down menu and select the physical description that best describes the project. Next, click on the Past Uses that caused the contamination hyperlink. A Past Uses that caused the contamination pop-up box will display. Select all applicable past uses that caused the contamination on your site. The Filter tool can be used to quickly locate specific industry types to select from. Click the Update Action button to save the selected past uses, and you'll be returned to the Risk Information Summary screen. Next, click on the Potential Contaminants of Concern hyperlink. A Potential Contaminants of Concern pop-up box will display. Select all applicable potential contaminants of concern for your site. The Filter tool can also be used to quickly locate specific contaminants to select from. Click the Update button to save the potential contaminants selected. Once the Update button has been clicked, a Select the Pollutants which are confirmed pop-up box will display. Click Yes if the data exists that confirms the potential contaminant has been found, or click No if DTSC has not confirmed that the potential contaminant has been found yet. Click the Update button to save the selected potential contaminants. Next, click the Impacted Drinking Water Wells field and enter the number of impacted drinking water wells, if any. Next, click on the Current Land Use hyperlink. Select the land use type using the checkboxes provided, and then click on one of the Update buttons. Next, click on the Potential Media Affected hyperlink. Select the potential media using the checkboxes provided, and then click on one of the Update buttons. Next, click Yes or No if a drinking water supply has been shut down, and describe any additional risks that may be present that weren't covered in the hyperlinks. Then hit the Save Changes button to save your work. After hitting the Save Changes button, EnviroStore will take you to the Operable Unit Area Names screen. I've been told this is because EnviroStore may merge this screen with the Risk Information screen in the future. But just know that for now, which is early December 2021, you'll need to go back to the upper left drop-down box and click on the Risk Information tab again to get back to the Risk Information screen. You'll come back to the Risk Information Summary screen and should see your updates. The contaminants of concern will appear, and the word Confirmed will display to the right of the listed contaminants in red font if you clicked Yes to the Confirm the Contaminants question. If the No button was clicked, nothing appears next to the contaminants. If you have new information to add, click on the Insert New Risk Information Record hyperlink and follow the procedure just described. Don't forget to always hit the Save or Update buttons after updating or adding information. Click the Edit button next to any of the entered information to edit that information. If you want to delete an entry, click on the blue Delete This Record hyperlink. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Click Yes or No. You'll be taken back to the Risk Information Summary screen and the entry will have been deleted. Thank you for watching video number 10 of the EnviroStore training series. If you need additional training on this aspect of EnviroStore, please go to the Site Mitigation and Restoration Program homepage on DTSC's SharePoint and click on the eStore Training and Tutorials quick link.